guys, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Creative Catch. Today I'm going to tell you about the different departments offered by NIFT and NID. So basically, many of you are asking me the major difference between these two colleges. Guys, NID stands for National Institute of Design, which means you will be learning hardcore designing here, all the technicalities as well as the industrial application. Whereas NIFT, which is National Institute of Fashion Technology, it is more focused towards fashion and new trends. So here you will be designing the product or any accessories according to the fashion demand and emerging trends. This is the major difference. Now I'm going to explain each disciplines one by one so that you can get a clear picture, and that will make your decision easy in choosing any of these disciplines as your career. So let's get started.
So the very first discipline is ceramic and glass designing. This course is a combination of creativity, science as well as technology. The glass and ceramic designing specialization is an exclusive and creative course for students who want to study designing as well as engineering. The overall understanding of technology, production techniques, material, skills enables the students to work within a variety of industry, producing tableware, tiles, sanitary ware, etc. Graduates are also well equipped to work with NGOs, design studio, craft sector, or they can set up own enterprises and generate wealth. The next discipline is furniture and interior designing. The discipline of furniture and interior design deals with the creation and evolution of objects, structure and system at human scale that aim to improve the quality of life in the immediate living and working environment, while looking at sustainable and innovative use of diverse material and processes. Students can work with furniture companies such as Purple Turtle, Studio Wood, Jonathan Rose Design, etc., or they can set up their own studio. Exhibition design is the next discipline. So basically, exhibition design program offered by NID teaches the students about perspective of communication, design, fabrication, image manipulation, use of multimedia, color and lighting, and all working environment of the industry. People can work in the agency or they can form their own group. Companies which provide exhibition design are Black Paper, Vedanta Group, etc. The next discipline is textile designing. Textile design is the creative and technical process by which thread or yarn fibers are woven together or interlaced to form a flexible, functional and decorative cloth such as curtain, pillow covers, bedsheet, etc., which is printed upon or otherwise adorned. Students can join various companies like Wellspun Group, Bombay Dyeing, Blackberries, etc. The next discipline is film and video communication design. Film and video communication aim to train versatile and design-informed communicators fluent in the conception and production of short films on a range of educational, cultural, social, entertainment and marketing communication needs. Student after graduating can be a cinematographer, art director, video editor or filmmaker. The other discipline is product designing. Product design describes the process of visualizing and creating products that solve users' problem or address specific needs in a given market. The key to successful product design is an understanding of the end user customer, the person for whom the product is being created. Product designers attempt to solve real-life problems by observing customer habits, behavior, frustration, needs, and wants, such as day-to-day products from stationery, kitchen tools, personal care tools, etc. The other discipline is graphic designing. The fundamental importance of creating a visual vocabulary through drawing. Here in graphic designing, students will learn visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, iconography, and illustration. The other discipline which NID offers is animation and film designing. In India, it's always a need for animation, as it's now opening up to the original ideas to mark its own identity in the global animation map. For this, there is an ever increasing demand for trained human resources and thinking mind as an animators, content creators, and mentors. Graduates, after learning this course, can join any agency or company as an animator. Now it comes the design courses offered by NIFT. The first discipline is fashion designing. A fashion designer is responsible for creating the specific look of individual garments, including a garment shape, color, fabric, trimmings, and other aspects of the whole. The fashion designer begins with an idea of how a garment should look, turns that idea into a design that is sketch, and specifies how that design should be made into an actual piece of clothing. Person can work for commercial ready-to-wear houses, a stylist who might make only small modifications in existing designs, or the designer can work under other design labels, or they can open up their own boutique. The other discipline is knitwear design. Knitwear designing is a specialized course in knitting fabrics as manufacturing technique. This technique you might have seen in your sportswear clothes or winterwear clothes. The knitwear designing courses has emphasis on knitting, machinery, yarn making, measurements, creative techniques in knitting, pattern making, stitching, and trend and forecast analysis. Students can also work as fashion consultant in companies like Nike, Mark and Spencer's, Adidas, Gap, Oswald Group, etc. The other department that NIFT offers is fashion and communication design. Fashion communication is one of the newest and upcoming fields in the fashion industry. Designers will work on design strategies, brand portfolios, etc. He or she will also work on areas such as visual merchandising, styling, graphic design, display and exhibit design, advertising, and public relations. They can also have an idea of creative writing. Graduates can work in any company for their creative content and graphic solutions. The other department is very similar to the department which is offered by NID, that is textile designing. From fiber to fabric, the design and development of textile is the key to business of fashion. To weaving and dyeing technique, fiber is made. This department is same as offered by NID, as we have discussed earlier. But here in NIFT graduates, you will learn about visual merchandising of the products. Also, the companies which you can work are same like Raymond, Blackberries, Lennon Clough, Wellspin Group, Bombay Dyeing, etc. The other department is fashion and lifestyle accessory designing. Well, it's a huge bucket. You can choose any one which you are interested in. It educates and trains professional designers to visualize and create lifestyle accessories and systems using different material, processes, and technologies. It relates the people's way of living and products they interact with, which form an important basis of their day-to-day lives, focusing on personal and space accessory products. It offers a strong multidisciplinary edge wherein the students can get an opportunity to work in a wide spectrum of domain such as jewelry, watches, bags, footwear, lighting, furniture, space accessory, or interior objects. The last but not the least department offered by NIFT is leather design. The leather-based goods are big part of garments, footwear, and accessories for luxury good industry. The leather-based products majorly include shoes, bag, belts, clothes, suitcase, car accessories, etc. Students will have complete knowledge about leather raw materials, processing, product care, industrial training and tour, as well as aspect of luxury good industries such as fashion forecast, brand awareness, and traditional and modern practices followed by them. Graduates can work with big brands like Gucci, Coach, Burberry, Prada, etc.
That's all for the day, guys. I hope you guys got knowledge about each department and now you will not get confused choosing your discipline and as your career. So that's it, and in my further videos I'll be suggesting you how to prepare for an NIFT entrance examination. For that, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell icon of course for my new updates. So stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.